Bahala na. Ginagamit ko yan, ginagamit ko. Dito muna sa dulo mo. Lagyan mo ng alcohol. Lagyan mo ng alcohol. Oo, nahiyak ako. Nakabigyan. Hindi ko hindi ka kuha. Ayan, yan. Hindi, bala na. Hindi live video. Papa-edit ko na tayo.
Sabi ko sa mga ko na parang inspiration. Sino nag-rock ka? First ever yoga class.
Yes.
Ayun, sige. Any experience with any physical class, Zumba ba, gym, yoga,
Boxing.
boxing, boxing. Who else? Sumasayaw, sumasayaw na natin. So, the very difference of yoga to any other physical activity or class, like Zumba and your, I'd say, high intensity urban trainings, even running, no? With those exercises, your kickboxing, your Zumba, your dance class, we move by numbers. The 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With yoga, although we have counting, a count means a cycle of breath. So pag sinabing 1, that's an inhale and an exhale. Because with yoga, we use numbers, yes, but primarily we use our breath to guide our movements. So the primary rule in yoga class is to never ever hold your breath. Pero if kailangan maalaman for this class, it's that. We never hold our breath. Okay, we have this tendency na kapag medyo restricted, constricted yung movements natin, we tend to hold our breath. We will feel that later. Pero always remember to let your breathing guide your flow or your movement. Okay? Everything that we will be doing in this class is suggested. Walang, walang prerequisite, walang requirement. Everything is suggested. Do things because your body is created for you to do it. Not because I told you so or your seatmate is doing it. Do it because it feels good. Listen to the limitations of your body, but make sure that you're also pushing yourself, to your limits or to challenges. Okay? And this is not a stretching class. Yan. This is not a stretching class. This is a full body workout. Okay? So, may mag-walkout ba? Sige, we have a few minutes. Settle down. And may tayo sa parang ibang out. Over capacity ba tayo? Hindi naman siguro, no? Sacrifice always. Sino ang kumain?
Heavy. Guys.
Next time, roughly 2 hours. 2 hours before a yoga class, no oral intake. No kahit water. At least an hour.
An hour na.
Idea rin lang naman yun.
Hindi.
shoulders away from your ears. Meditation can be overwhelming, but if you get into the practicality of it, it's just listening to your head. Listening as you breathe through the nose, breathe out gradually, deep down through the nose, contracting the back your right foot in between your hands. Kung saan umabot, followed by the left. Inhale, flat back, gaze forward, remaining flat, flat back. Flat back or tabletop. Exhale, fold down. Releasing all the engagements of your upper body. You can might bend your leg here if you need to. Let's do that again. Inhale, gaze forward, flat back. Very nice. Exhale, fold down. One more time. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold down. Bend your leg a lot. straight. Inhale, left arm up, as if it's someone is pulling it up, opening your heart to the roof. Hips and chest up as high as you can. 3, 2, child's pose.
Sorry.
And 1, palms to the ground, high plank. Lean over to your low push-up. Inhale, cobra. 3, 2, child's pose. Three more breaths. 2, and 1. You can gaze forward or directly roll your fingers towards your knee. Then inhale. Your knees. Inhale, those palms up. More in. And exhale, relaxing those arms to the side. So your knees is hip wide apart. You can top or untop one time. Top or untop your toe at the back. Okay, let's do that again. Inhale, arms up, palms together, or in. And exhale, relaxing both arms to the side. One more time. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, relaxing both arms to the side. We'll do some rounds of hammock. So, for beginners, your fingers are pointing to your bum. Your elbows try to move closer together, opening your chest forward, then it's eventually pushing your hips forward. You can gaze up. You can go as deep as you want to. Elbows trying to meet together for 4, 3, 2, and 1, child's pose. Three, 2, and 1. Gaze forward. Roll your fingers again towards your knee. Let's do that again. This time, tuck your toe at the back. Hip width apart. Inhale, move palms up. Exhale, right arm to the back. See if you can touch the sole of your feet. Then open your chest up. Pushing your hips forward. 3, 2, and 1. Thigh strength, go back. Your knee. Let's do that on the other side. Inhale, move palms up. Left naman touching your left foot. Moving it up, opening your chest up, pushing your hips forward. 3, 2, and 1. Nice strength. Move back here. Child's pose for 3 breaths. Two, and 1. Knees forward. Roll your fingers towards your knee. Sit up on your knee again. You can do this as an option. When you leave that, elbows try to be close together. For my regulars, you can do your full hammock. So tucking your toe at the back, pushing your hips. Start from here. If this is stable enough, Inhale, gaze forward. Palms to the ground. Right leg steps back, followed by the left. Lean forward for your chaturanga or low push-up. Cobra, inhale. Exhale, back to toes, downward, facing dog. 4, 5. 4.
Mas bend yung leg mo.
Bend it a lot. Very good. 2. And 1. Gaze forward. You can hop, you can walk, you can step on top of the mat. Inhale, gaze forward. Tumala. Exhale, fold down. Bending the leg to standing. Exhale, relaxing both arms to the side. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Let's do that again. Nose in, heels out. Inhale, arms up, gaze up. Exhale, lie down. Mindfully, erase breathe. Halfway, gazing forward. Palms to the ground. One leg at a time if you want to for high plank. Leaning forward, baba. Cobra. Tuck the toe, downward facing dog. For my regulars, straighten your knee. Nice. Kailangan ng downward ah. 2. And 1, gazing forward, step one leg at a time. Inhale halfway, exhale, fold down. Bend your leg to standing. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, relaxing both arms to the side. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Last, Surya A. Inhale, arms up. Exhale down. Sabay ang breathing to your movement. Down. people mas gusto nilang wala sa mat. Definitely standing exercises. Take your option. Explore on your body. Explore your body kung saan kayo mas comfortable. Inhale, arms up. Then take wide apart ang feet. Raise up. Let's start with our tiptoe. More in. Raise up. Then tiptoe. Tingka yan. Raise up for 5, 4, challenge your balance, stability, 2, and 1, relax. Oh, ating maya na. No? But you will realize that these simple tasks, napaka-importante na you actually have a grasp on your breathing. Inhale, up. And exhale, right leg up, up into your chest. One breath here. Sorry, yung kapit. Right, right. Kanan. 2, and 1. Let's move to our 3. May options mo. This is your first option. Sole of the feet to your, to the ground. Ayan. Yeah, thank you, Uncle. Thank you, Mommy. Yeah. Or dito sa shins, to your knee, or above the knee. Make sure that your option has the right opening of the hips. No, you are comfortable opening your hips, your knees pointing to the side. If you're comfortable, bring your hands to your hearts. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, gaze at something static in front of you. Find balance and stability here. 2, and 1, bring your hands up. 4, another 5, 4, breathe through the nose. 2, and 1, arms slowly. 4, another 5, 4, 3, palingon na iwasan yung wobble. Try mo yung pag-squat para makuha yung balance. And 1, you can go back down or keep up the challenge. Knee high, kick back to your warrior feet. For another 5. This is just optional. 2, 3, sorry. 2, and 1. Knee high, stand up. One heel at a time, lift it up, pull it over. Now explore kung mas gusto nyo wala sa mat, sa matigas, or meron. Let's do everything on the other side. Inhale, no palms up. And then exhale, lifting the left knee. Up in for 3 breaths. 2, moving your chest, moving your shoulders away from the ears. And 1, your 3 of choice. Kung ano yung ginawa ka nyo sa other side, get or if it's the same thing. Gaze at something static or hindi gumagalaw in front of you. Find balance in it. Bring your hands to your heart center. Use your breathing to stabilize yourself. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, bring your hands up. You can actually gaze up to challenge your balance. Mahirap yun. Make it look easy. 2, and 1. With grace, comes slow. Hover your knee to your chest. Lift it back. Then bend your leg, your toes, trying to touch the other side of your mat. Opening your hips to the side. Hip joint mandala for 3, 2, and 1. Move everything down to the left side. Remember this position. Right leg up, open up to your wild thing again. This time maybe you're more open. Hips high, chest up for 3, 2, and 1. Both palms to the ground, knee hovering with your chest. Kick that back up. Downward facing dog. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Everything on the other side. Left leg up, close pointed. Knee hovering to your chest, gazing forward. Kick back. Then bend that leg, pointing your toes to the other side, opening your hips to the joint mandala for 3, 2, and 1. Sit down on the other side. Left arm up, open your chest to the sky. Hips high, wide thing for 3, 2, and 1. Gaze down, both palms to the ground, high plank. Lean forward. Up dog, downward facing dog. Do that again. Lean forward, high plank. Baba. 3, 2, 1. Stack your hands, use that as a pillow. Relax. Everything. Huwag kayong magbunda. Relax those knees. Use your arms or your hands as a pillow. Patungan nyo ng forehead. Stay here for another 3, 2, and 1. A few moments of locus gaze forward, arms to the side, palms down. Continue straightening out your legs. Inhale, lifting your upper butt away, your hands away from the ground, then thighs away from the ground. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right cheek to the ground, relax. forward again. Stay here for another 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, flat back, and then let go, arms up. Right palm to the back, left arm outward with the right knee. Then twist. Gazing at the window, gazing back. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, twist deeper. Again, inhale, long spine. Then exhale, pour in. Then twist even deeper. See if you have more space there. 3 more breaths. Take control on how deep this can be for you. More space. One last. And exhale. Both palms up. Both palms to the left side. Bow down for 1 minute. Left side. Other side. Everyone. Everything. Both legs straight out in front. Inhale, arms up. This time, grabbing the outer side of your foot. Gazing forward. You can micro-bend your knee here. Hindi komportable. That's fine. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, hold down from the hips. Gaze forward. Sa akin po ang tingin. Sige. 3, 2, and 1. Flat back muna before letting it go. Bend your left leg. Lagyan nyo ng konting space if that feels more comfortable for you. Pag ito little tighter. Inhale, arms up. Grab your right foot. Hug this end. Hug your bended knee in. Stay here for another 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Arms up. Left palm to the back. Right elbow anchoring to the left. Again, core in. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, twist even deeper. One last, both palms up, inhale. Both hands to the other side, bow down for just 1 breath. Then relax. Move back to the center. Straighten out your legs. Inhale, both palms up. Both palms to the ground, beside your hips. Cross your shins. Lean back. Lift. For your mini boat. For my regulars, lift your hands. 3, 2, and 1. Hug into your chest. Let's do that 2 more times. Hindi ka nanginginig eh. Kailangan singing pa. Oo. When you're shaking, that means this is working. Or, nagkape kayo kanina. Okay, second round of both, lean back a little, core in. Relaxed, shoulders away from the ears. Up. You can cross your shins, option lang yan. Toes pointed. Lean back sa core. Up for more challenge. Release for 5. Masyado madali. It's 10. Hindi sila. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hover, logo. Gusto niya yan, di ba? For 5, 4, 3, 2, keep that. Logo. Hover your heels and your upper back away from the ground. For another 5, 4, 3, shake. Come on. And 1. Pulse back. Push your shins on your knees. Lie back. Lie down on your backs. Cross your shins. Rock from side to side. One more in here. Konting massage lang to the back. Both feet to the ground. Ilapit sa puwet. There. Bounce beside you. Bounce down. Then inhale, hips high. For your bridge. Inhale, hips high. For 5, baby, rock a little more. Let's tone down the breathing and prepare for the last pose of the day. Corpse pose. Release your feet on both edges of the mat. Let that downward. Last pose of the day is called corpse pose. Inhaling a corpse, releasing all the engagements of your body. Let gravity do its work on both legs and thighs. Let your breathing guide you. Relax your body. Release the engagements of your arms. Open your palms to the roof. And see how that relaxes your body even more. Relax your neck and your upper body. Move your shoulders away from your ears. Straighten out your eyebrows. Bite your teeth. Unclench your jaw. And maybe your tongue is sticking to the upper palate. Release that. And see how that feels. See how that relaxes you even more. Your body did great work tonight. Enjoy your Shavasana. side to side.